Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how you can reactivate your cancelled membership at Equinox Fitness. Okay, so basically Equinox providing you facility, you can reactivate your membership very easily. What you have to do, you need to compose an email. Okay, this is the only method. They also have provided this method on their official website. You need to compose an email. The email you need to request reactivate my membership. You need to provide your details which is available. If you don't have any details, you just need to simply provide your name, your mobile number, and your you can some subscription details if you have any, and then you need to send the email at their email address, which is concierge@equinix.com. So you can see this is the email, concierge@equinix.com, and you can also see this email is also available on their official website. Okay, so now once they receive your email, they will activate subscription, and the number you have provided in your email, they will call you and they will tell you and when you can visit your fitness center. Okay, so this is the method. Now if you want to activate your subscription by physical visit, you can also visit your nearest physical fitness center, and then you need to provide your details related to fitness, and they will also activate your subscription, okay, or membership. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.